Hello, so this is TedEd.com, and this is a website that's used by teachers and students, and it's completely free. Teachers can create their own accounts, and students can also create their accounts to do the lessons that are assigned by their teacher. And if teachers are looking for a lesson, all they have to do is click on the video that they want their students to learn about. The students are able to watch the videos, and the videos are very short. They're very interesting, and they're very fun and interesting for the kids to watch. And what's cool about it is that they're able to take a little questionnaire about the video after, and if they get it wrong, they're able to rewatch that specific video part where the answer was given. And there's also additional resources that are given for students to learn more about that subject. And the discussion, there's some discussions that are already there, but as a teacher, you're able to add another discussion, and you're also able to customize the lesson, which is really cool. All you have to do is click this button, the customize this lesson button. And as a teacher, you're able to make changes if you want to add your name to it, just for your students to know that that's the one that you created. You're also able to change the questions around. You're able to, if you want to add vocab words that you were using in the classroom about this certain topic, you're able to do that. And once you publish it, that's when you're going to have the opportunity to require your students to have TEDed accounts for them to view this specific lesson. And if you don't want them to have TEDed accounts, some districts don't allow you to have your kids have an account, then you don't have to, but you're able to share the lessons with your students without making an account. So you're able to share them. All you have to do is just type in their email address, and um, it will get to them so that they're able to do the lesson. And once you invited your students, you're able to check who is doing the work. If there's some kids who are not doing the work, you're able to see your student activity. If they're on, if they're not on, you're able to see. As you can see, I don't have any students right now, so it tells me who's doing my lesson. It tells me who's answering my discussions. It also tells me who started my lesson, who completed. So it's a great way for teachers to keep track of their students' work. You're able to save the lessons on your account as well. So this is a great way to use in the classroom as just like a quick little quiz if you want to do it as a quiz. This website is also suggested by the NGSS. There's also this part where you click discover and it takes you to the series. You're also able to find more videos on subjects like math, social studies, history, and many subjects. And you're able to click on this. Gives you more videos related to the specific subject. So in this case, we have before and after Einstein, and there are many videos that can relate to that specific subject. So if you just want to do like a whole day lesson plan on this specific question or the specific topic, you're able to do that. And again, you're also able to customize it if you want to change. If you don't want them to watch all the videos, you're able to do that. So it's like a playlist basically that you could do. And yeah, this is basically a little brief description of what TED-Ed is. I hope that you enjoy it. I hope that you enjoy using this to teach your students, and I hope that your students also enjoy this website. Thank you.